हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग सॉल्व करें आईएसएस पेपर 4 2025 का सॉल्यूशंस और ये है 1C व्हेन इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर गेम सेड टू बी स्ट्रिक्टली डिटर्मिनेबल। तो ये क्या आंसर क्या होगा? अ रेक्टेंगुलर गेम इज स्ट्रिक्टली डिटर्मिनेबल when there exists a saddle point. So that is, the game has a pure strategy solution, correct? And a saddle point occurs when when the maximum of the row minimums is minimum of the column maximums. Okay, so now we will write here it is given x 5 1 minus 2 x minus 8 3 minus 3 3x. Okay, so if you remember how we find out the row minimum, so here is it. To find out the row minimums, so it's smallest entry per row. So for row 1 it's minimum x51, so that is minimum of x1. Okay, again row 2 minimum of minus 2x minus 8, so that's minimum minus 2 minus 8 of, and row 3 is minimum of minus 3 3x, so that's minimum of x comma minus 3. Okay, so thus row minimum will be what? How I will calculate it? So minimum of x1, minimum of x comma minus 8, and minimum of x comma minus 3, that I will calculate. Now column maximum again we have to find out. So there, now column maximums. How I will find out? Column means largest entry per column. So first column 1, so it's x minus 2 minus 3. So obviously maximum of x minus 2. Next column 3, so maximum of 5 x 3. So that's maximum of x 5 3. So that's maximum of x 5. Okay, so thus what will be the column maximum? Similarly, that will be maximum of x comma minus 2, maximum of x comma 5, and maximum of x comma 1. That will be the calculation. So here now I will solve for saddle point, maximum of that, and minimize the this one. So we'll do for the saddle point. So solving for maximum of minimum of x1, minimum of x minus 8, minimum of x minus 3, that will be equivalent to minimum of maximum x minus 2, maximum which we have already calculated, and maximum of x comma 1. So if we analyze each case, there will be 4 cases for the same. So first, the first case, so here case 4, that x greater than 1. So here what is the row minimum? 1 minus 8 minus 2. So then max mean will be 1. Again column max will be x, x, x. Why? Because x is greater than 5. So then mean max will be x. So no equality, 1 is not equal to x. So what will be the my final solution then? My final solution will be the game is strictly determinable when, which was my question, it will be when x is minus 2 union this, which we have already find out. Correct. So the game is strictly determinable for all x minus 3 to 1, including x equal to minus 2. Okay. Best of luck, students. If you have any question, you can WhatsApp us on the same number.